Assalamualaikum. Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to discuss the question and answers of the Tempest Part 2. Here we have the first question. What did Miranda first think Ferdinand was, and why was Ferdinand and Miranda's love at first sight true? Okay. As we have already studied in the chapter that firstly Mirinda thought that Ferdinand was a separate, as she has not seen any human being except his father. And their Miranda's and Ferdinand's love was at first sight. Okay, we will write the answer here. At first, Miranda thought that Ferdinand was a separate because she had not seen a human being other than her father and his servant Caliban. Yes, the love between them was really love at first sight. Okay. Here we have next question. Why did Prospero pretend to think that Ferdinand was a spy? Prospero pretended that Ferdinand was a spy because he was testing his love for her daughter Miranda. Okay, we will write the answer. Prospero was very happy to see Miranda and Ferdinand in love. Ferdinand's love could be false, so he wanted to test his love for her daughter Miranda. Here we have the third question. What was the task that Prospero gave Ferdinand? What task he gave? He gave him the piling of logs. So we will write the answer in this way. He was assigned the job of piling up heavy logs of wood. Here in the next fourth question. What made Ferdinand's labor seem light? What made Ferdinand's labor seem light? Miranda's presence. So we will write the answer in this way. Miranda's presence made the job seem light for him. Here we have next question. Question number 5. What were the king and his party doing in the meantime? In the meantime, they were wandering on the island. They were tired and hungry. They rested for some time. Ariel invited them food and suddenly disappears. Here we will write the answer in the same. In the meantime, the king of Naples, Antonio Gonzalo, who was in the king's party, and others were wandering about on the island. Tired out and hungry, they sat down to rest. Ariel put inviting food before them, but when they tried to eat it disappeared suddenly. Here we have the next question. Question number 6. Why were they amazed to see Prospero? They were amazed to see Prospero alive because they thought he would have died at sea 12 years ago when they drove out him of the palace. Okay, here we have the next question. Question number 7. Justify Prospero's statement, I have lost my daughter. Yes, he was true, as he has given her hand in Ferdinand's. He was right in the sense that he has no more possessed his daughter. She was now in the possession of Ferdinand, who would be her husband. Next question, here we have question number 8. Why did Prospero give up his magic powers? He gave up his magic powers because he did not need them any longer. After reconciliation, he broke up his magic wand and buried his magical books. What was Ariel's last service to his master? What was last service? Ariel raised favorable winds for the ship that was carrying his master. That was his last service to his master Prospero. Okay, dear students, thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.